Hey everyone, welcome back to iOS Hacker. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to switch to night mode in the iPhone camera app. With iPhone's night mode, you can capture stunning low light photos effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your iPhone and open the camera app. In many cases, night mode activates automatically in low light conditions. You will know it's available when you see this yellow crescent moon icon at the top of the screen. If night mode isn't on by default, here's how to enable it. Make sure your camera app is on the photo mode. Then swipe up on the camera viewfinder area to reveal this menu. Here, you have to tap on the crescent moon icon that looks something like this. When you tap on the moon icon, you will notice that the night mode is either at off or auto position. Move the slider towards the left side to increase and adjust the exposure time for your shots. The longer the exposure, the better the brightness and details in your photo. Once you have set up your exposure, hold your iPhone steady or use a tripod for best results. Tap the shutter button and keep the phone still while the photo is being taken. Wait for the capture process to complete. After you have taken the shot, you can open the Photos app, find your night mode photo and tap on Edit to enhance brightness, contrast and details. And that's it. Now you know how to use night mode on your iPhone to take amazing low light photos. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications for iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video.